Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
You'll start by making sure the headset has enough charge to complete pairing. Plug in for 30 to 60 minutes if needed. Once powered, press and hold the power button until the LED flashes to enter pairing mode. Make sure your phone or computer's Bluetooth is enabled and visible in device settings, because without visibility, the devices cannot find each other. If the LED shows a steady light instead of flashing, power off and repeat the long press to force pairing mode. You'll now pair. Scan Bluetooth devices on your phone or laptop and select the rock space name that appears. If a PIN is requested, enter 0000 or 1234 as prompted. This only happens sometimes. Once paired, make sure device volume is at a moderate level, about 60%, so you can test without sudden loud audio. Then open audio settings to select the headset for output, and, if needed, enable the headset microphone or higher quality code. You'll control playback directly on the headset. Learn the button taps for play, pause, and track skip, because this speeds use without reaching for your device. After use, store the headphones in their case and clean ear pads with a damp cloth weekly to preserve sound and hygiene. If connectivity problems occur, make sure Bluetooth is off and on again on both devices. If that fails, reset by holding power plus volume buttons for about 10 seconds to clear pairing lists. Then repair as you did earlier.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.